Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall WordPress from a VPS and databases, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the uninstallation process, log into your virtual private server using SSH. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or the terminal on Linux or Mac OS. Enter your server's IP address and the appropriate login credentials. Once logged in, you need to stop the web server that runs WordPress. For Apache, use the command sudo system to stop Apache 2. If you're using Jinx, type sudo system to stop Jinx. Next, you will want to navigate to the directory where WordPress is installed. Typically, this is located in /var/www/html or a similar directory. Use the command cd/var/www/html to change into the WordPress directory. Now, you can remove the WordPress files. Type sudo rmrf* to delete all files in the directory. Make sure you are in the correct directory before running the command, as this will permanently delete your files. With WordPress files removed, the next step is to drop the database associated with your site. Access your MySQL or MariaDB database by typing MySQL root p. Enter your password when prompted. Now, list the databases to find the one used by WordPress. Use the command show databases to display all existing databases. Identify the database name used for your WordPress installation. Once you know the database name, it's time to drop it. Type drop database_name, replacing database_name with your actual database name. To ensure you've removed the database, type show databases again to confirm it's gone. After dropping the database, exit MySQL by typing exit. Lastly, clean up any residual configuration files. Navigate to the MySQL configuration file, typically found in /etc/mysql/my.cnf. Using a text editor, review any remaining entries for WordPress and remove them if necessary. With this, you have successfully uninstalled WordPress and its databases from your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.